In this video tutorial, we will provide you with instructions to remove the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts related to the site pushbus.com. Some people may see these pop-ups to attack their browsers. The website claims to be some sort of human verification alert. It tells you to click on Allow if you are not a robot, but in reality, to click on Allow is a mistake. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked. You may be forwarded to some other questionable content. You may be redirected to some deceptive sites that may infect your computer with browser hijacking extensions, with adware, and other threats. Also, if you have clicked on Allow, you will start getting the great portion of ads that will be shown in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this pushbus.com, be sure to remove it from the list. And to make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching the system to eliminate other infections and to have your system always protected in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.